name is Dawn Stalker, and I am one of the owners of Hearst Firestone and Auto Care in Flagstaff, Arizona.
My name is Carlos Savage. I'm the store manager at Cardinal Car Stereo. We're in Glendale, Arizona.
I tell customers all the time, if they need an interlock put in their vehicle, I definitely recommend LifeSafer.
We stick with LifeSaver because we know it works. And if you have a question, we can get it answered, and we know that we have the support to support you.
So when a customer wants to get an interlock installed, we usually have them contact the call center and get it scheduled.
A lot of the clients, their first thought is the machine gonna mess up my car?
We have to wire in, and also we have to disable things such as auto, remote starts and that sort of thing. But we just let people know that once the device is removed from their vehicle, the LifeSafer equipment doesn't interfere with that.
People would think, oh, well, this is gonna kill my battery. It's not gonna kill your battery no more than a clock.
LifeSafer's device is simply a blow hum, where some of the others are not that simple.
The equipment is pretty much like an alarm system on a vehicle without all the bells and whistles.
We just let them know that once the device comes out of the car, everything is going to be rewired back to how it was initially, and their car will operate just as it did before the interlock went in there.
They are a nationwide company, so if you go with the LifeSaver and you end up having to move to a different state for your job or anything like that, you have support.
I tell people all the time when they come in and they get an interlock installed that this is a no judgment zone.
We try to treat people the way we want to be treated, not as a criminal or as someone that's in trouble. We just treat you like a friend that's coming in and needs help.
We just try to provide a good environment for them to get in, get their services taken care of, get through the program and get to the other side of this and be successful and move on in life.